You ask how to buy shares of Eurazeo, so this short guide will show the basic steps. Eurazeo is a European investment group listed on Euronext under the ticker RF.PA. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker RF.PA to locate the Eurazeo listing and select the matching result for the correct stock. Open the Eurazeo asset page to review the company summary and the price chart and confirm you are viewing the RF.PA share you intend to buy. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and you can find the eToro link in the video description for reference.